blessing ang naghihintay sa iyo. Kaya sa umaga pa lang, sabi mo, I'm blessed. I am blessed because God is with me. Maraming blessings na darating. Kaya gising, gising. Maraming blessings. So, inhale the blessings of God. Exhale anything that is like worry. Exhale anything anxiety. Inhale the joy of God. So, gising mga kaibigan at mag-exercise na. Breathe in, okay? Breathe out. Yan ang simula ng exercise natin, breathing. At the same time, okay, unat-unat na ng ating mga kasu-kasuan, ating mga leeg, ating mga paa, timbot na yan, okay? At tanggapin ang blessings. So mga kaibigan, nandiyan na, gising ka na dahil nandiyan na ang blessing.
Just a child when I felt the Savior leading. I was drawn to what I could not understand. For the cause of Christ, I have spent my days believing that what He'd have me be is who I am. As I come to see the weaker side of me, I realize His grace is what I'll need. When sin demanded justice for my soul, mercy said,